Number 4 is an equation with a variable on both sides. 8x minus 3 equals 5x plus 18. When solving these problems, I typically prefer to move the smaller letter to the other side first. I'm going to move the 5x to the other side because it's smaller than 8x, and when a 5x crosses the equal sign it becomes its opposite, which is minus 5x. 8x minus 5x leaves us with 3x's, and we copy down the minus 3 and the 18. Now this is a basic two-step equation. We need to move the 3 over. When a minus 3 crosses an equal sign, it becomes a plus 3. And we find out that 3x equals 18 plus 3, which is 21. The last step is to divide by 3, and we find that x equals 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Problem 5 has fractions. 1/3 a plus 1/2 a equals 5. I think the easiest way to solve these problems is to get rid of the fractions. I'm going to multiply this entire equation by the number 6 so that I can get rid of the fractions. How I chose the 6 is by multiplying the two denominators together. 3 times 2 gave me 6. When I distribute the 6 onto this whole problem, I end up with a new problem. 6 times 1/3 a is 2a. 6 times 1/2 a is 3a. And 6 times 5 is 30. Now that there's no fractions, this problem is a lot more palatable. 2a plus 3a makes 5a. We still have equals 30. Divide by 5, and we'll find the answer of a equals 6. Number 6 is a story problem that asks us to find how many hours did a certain repair take. The problem reads that the bill for the repair of your car was $300. We know that we're working with a total bill of $300. The cost of parts was $100. The cost of labor was $50 per hour. So I end up with total bill equals parts plus labor. The reason that the variable gets attached to labor is because labor is the item that changed, and it changes based on how many hours. To find out how many hours the repair took, all we have to do is solve this problem. We're going to move the 100 over first. It becomes a minus 100. So we find that 200 equals 50h. When we divide by 50 to get h by itself, we'll find that h equals 4. Remember, with word problems, you always want to label your answer, so your final answer should be 4 hours. How long did the repair take? 4 hours.